The Divi Black Friday sale starts right now, and this year we have gone above and beyond to bring you the best deals, free prizes, and exclusive perks that you can't find anywhere else. There is something for everyone this year, whether you are new to Divi, whether you are a current member, and even if you are a lifetime member. So be sure to head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday to check it out. First off, if you are new to Divi, then this is the best day of the year to join and get access to the most popular WordPress theme in the world. Everyone who joins today will get our biggest discount of all time, and you get to keep that discount forever. We only bring this discount out during Black Friday, and once the sale is over, it won't be back again until next year. In addition to the discount, you will also walk away with a free bonus prize. We are giving away batches of free prizes with each purchase, but these prizes are in limited supply and they're going to disappear very quickly. If you already have a Divi membership, then today is the perfect day to upgrade your account to lifetime. Everyone who upgrades today will also get our biggest discount ever, plus a free bonus prize while supplies last. There are some amazing prizes, including premium Divi modules, layouts, and child themes, but they won't last long. Head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday to view the flash sale and claim your favorite prize before it's gone. If you are already a Divi lifetime member, don't worry, there is a lot to be excited about this year. First off, everyone who joins, upgrades, or renews their account today, and all current lifetime members will get access to exclusive Divi theme builder packs, Divi layout packs, and custom Divi header and footer designs built by our design team just for Black Friday. These exclusive designs will only be available during this short time, so be sure to get them before they're gone. Lifetime members also get exclusive discounts on premium Divi modules, child themes, and layouts in the Divi marketplace. These aren't just any old discounts, these are the best discounts on premium Divi products that you can find anywhere. We worked with Divi creators to make sure that our lifetime members get special treatment, so be sure to head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday to find out how to access these special discounts.